Oh, there goes Monorail Black on its way to dropping people off at the Magic Kingdom. All right, we're about to go on a tour of Bay Lake Tower, a 2-bedroom villa, and of course you have the welcome home sign as we go out onto Bay Lake Bridge. And this is on the 4th floor of the Grand Canyon Concourse of the Contemporary. Beautiful look of Bay Lake, and you can get a much better view of Discovery Island out there. Shh, don't tell anybody it's still out there. Just to give you a view of Bay Lake Tower. It's out like that, beautiful grounds, excellent landscaping, just really fabulous job with Bay Lake Tower. The 5th floor?
5th floor.
I'm dumb. It was the 5th floor. Expert Pam.
Oh yes.
5th floor.
5th floor.
By the way, this is the view of the parks from the Bay Lake Tower Bridge.
All right, we're gonna go down 1 to 4.
Now we're going down to the 4th floor because I can't seem to figure out my floor numbers around here. But we're in the Bay Lake Tower. Gorgeous artwork on the walls, and beautiful again view of Bay Lake with the Bay Lake Tower pool out there. Hope I can get a little shot of that. And we're gonna go get on the elevator and head to the room. We're going to enter into the 2-bedroom suite here in Bay Lake Tower to do a little tour of the room here. Really well appointed as per usual. You walk in, bathrooms immediately to the left with, again, gorgeous tile work, and you have the H2O, and it has a hairdryer, and it's just a little right off the door, and you have a little bit of the H2O supplies. And you over here we have the other bedroom. It's using the adjoining door.
Oh yeah, my best friend actually just came in.
Welcome home.
Thank you. They use the adjoining door over there for the 2nd bedroom. It has its own bathroom with a nice sliding door for privacy with opaque glass, and a stand-in shower. Again, that beautiful tile work. And you have the vanity there. Hi everybody. And you with the 2nd bedroom with the TV in the cabinet here, and you with 2 queen-size beds. I always love the Disney beds. They're really soft and comfortable, and every time I've ever stayed in my home resort, I've never had a bad night's sleep. My home resort is Saratoga Springs. For those of you who are interested, this is the view out the balcony of the pool down below from this 2-bedroom suite. I love the pop kind of contemporary art of the Mickeys on top. Beds are nice and raised up too for us tall people. That's awesome. Head into the main area here. Again, you have this really cool idea to like a shelf to put like your magic bands, your watches, and your keys and things. And the closet here, the main door closet as you're walking in. Again, more space for storage because DVC people have a tendency to stay a little bit longer, so they like to be able to do that. As you walk in, you have this awesome kitchen table, and as you're going in there, you have the nice hidden Mickey in the plates that are provided. Nice, humongous television, and it's currently on Resort TV 1. Gotta love that stuff. And with more storage space and access to the balcony here from one of the from the other bedroom. This is a sleeper couch, so this will pull out and you have people who can sleep on this. And then you have the nice full kitchen, has an island in the center. This is currently the display. That's lovely artwork. This is currently the display for DVC, so they're using this as like to do tours of. Very gracious of the DVC hosts to let me come in.
Home.
Thank you. To let me come in and film this. So we have stainless steel microwave and nice, big, large cooking space. The glass top stove and oven. And again, it's well appointed dishwasher and cabinets. And the cabinets, the DVC come appointed with plates and silverware, so you don't have to worry about that kind of stuff. I don't need to show you everything. Full size fridge. I mean, I'm 6'3", and the fridge is only at my chin level, so it's actually a really nice size fridge. And so you need to store anything to bring, because DVC people have a tendency again to bring their own foods and do things. Oh, and we're gonna get shown something cool. Woo! Look at this spice rack. Very, very nice little hidden spice rack. Yeah, very, very fancy. Love it, love it. But yeah, thank you, Pam.
Absolutely.
You're amazing. Hey Pam, what was your channel again? If you want to plug it.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Pamm Turner. So it's Pamm Turner, Turner.
Check out her stuff. She does health benefit stuff. She was telling me things for health and healthier eating and exercise too.
I've only got one exercise video. 'Cause I don't
But healthy living.
Yes.
So
exaggerated.
yeah, right. Let's not go overboard.
Yeah. Over here we have the laundry room, I guess is the best way to describe it. A little nice large closet with the ironing board and hanging space and shelves, and then you have the washer dryer combo, which is very typical. But one of the things they do are really nice is they provide you with soap so you can do your laundry. That's really awesome that they do that. And then we're going to add into the master bedroom. The master bedroom in a 2-bedroom suite has this great jet tub, and that jet tub is big enough for me to fit in. So like I said, I want to show you that the tub here is large enough to fit a full-grown adult. I'm 6'3". You know, I tower over things and people, and I just want to show you that this is what you can do. Check this out. Full-grown man, legs fully stretched out in the tub for relaxation. That's what I'm talking about. And you have this amazing sliding wall that you can close for privacy or leave it open so you can watch the television. And the television's over there. Beautiful vanity and space there. Hello again. And then we have a low entry shower, complete with bench. And the low entry shower has a standard shower head. Move it around and aim it in the direction that you want, and it has a rainfall shower on the top. Just very, very well appointed master bathroom. Again, complete with their Disney H2O supplies that everyone loves. Not bolted to the wall here as there are in some resorts, which is really kind of nice. Coat racks. And you have your king size bed. Again, I love Disney mattresses. You gotta love their beds. You have 2 nightstands, and you have easy access to plugs over there. And there's easy access to plugs down here. That's a GFI plug because it's near the bathtub. And then we have again the balcony, and the balcony is really, really huge and spacious. And sometimes I can get them open, and sometimes I can't. Oh, there we go. Got it. Didn't have a Saratoga. And here's the view from the balcony. And again, there's the access into the, there's our DVC people taking much deserved relaxation. And they can look out into the pool. There you have some of the appointments. You have the sports you can rent from the clubhouse. And just beautiful look out here on the from your balcony, especially with the music playing from the pool. That actually makes it really, really nice. You can see the slide out there. And so yeah, that's a 2-bedroom DVC resort. I hope you've enjoyed the tour today. I really enjoyed giving it to you. So thanks for being awesome, and see you, bye.
Thank you.